from where I used to be, chasing empty dreams that could not rescue me. I carried my burdens through the night until your mercy called me back to the light. I tried to walk alone, but I lost my way. Yet your gentle voice still calls my name. Though I have fallen, you have not let go. Your grace is the road that leads me home. I'm tired of running, tired of hiding. My heart is broken, but you're still inviting. With tears in my eyes, I cry once more. Bring me back home, Lord. Back to your presence, back to your heart. Wash every wound, Lord. Heal every place where I fell apart. I've wandered too far, but your grace knows where I am. I'm coming back, Lord, just as I am. I don't want this world anymore. Jesus, bring me back home. Bring me back home. I remember the peace I found in your arms, when your presence protected me from every harm. I remember the nights when I called your name, and you answered me with a love that never changed. The world promised treasures, but left me empty. Its brightest lights could never satisfy me. Now I know where my restless heart belongs, in the arms of the Father, where I am loved. Bring me back home, Lord. Back to your presence, back to your heart. Wash every wound, Lord. Heal every place where I fell apart. I've wandered too far, but your grace knows where I am. I'm coming back, Lord, just as I am. I don't want this world anymore. Jesus, bring me back home. Bring me back home. Oh, if there is still mercy, let it find me. If there is still grace, Lord, surround me. If your arms are open, I will run back to the Father, back to the Son. No shame can stop me, no sin can define me. Your blood is spoken, your grace has redeemed me. Bring me back home, Lord. I've been away for far too long. Bring me back home, Lord. Restore my heart and make me strong. I lay my failures at your feet. I surrender all I used to be. Take my heart and make it yours. Jesus, bring me back home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Not because I'm worthy, I'm coming home, but because you still love me. My Father, I hear you calling. I'm coming home. Bring me back home, Lord. Bring me back home.